keep visiting me. All that I see, absolute horror. I cannot live, I cannot die. Trapped in myself, fighting my only fear. What you ready for? What you ready for?
It didn't film.
What you ready for? What you ready for? So long it goes away now, bottom behind the smoke. That place where happiness and broken dreams of life become the life that you see was all that you needed. Pushed in the corner with your hands on your ears to stop the dribbling of words that keep on pouring out in fear. Finding yourself at the end of the race, of nearly falling behind. Can you tell me what you ready for? What you ready for? What you ready for? What you ready for?
Kid said he finally hit the step up. Dang.
He never hits
Oh.
them.
Look how fast he's going. Oh yeah.
This kid never hits them. Why didn't you ever hit the rollers?
Oh. Got a little beef between these two here. Oh, here he goes for the kill. Oh. Ooh. No. got him. Oh. Makes the pass. Wow. Oh, not done yet.
God damn it, I went the wrong way. Ah, fuck. No, you can. What the fuck? If you can go down it, you can go up it. Go along here. Ow! Help! Hey, just hold your front brake. Let it off. I'm fucking stuck. Just push it. Let off your front brake and give it a push. This is a big ass rock. Ow. Come on, pussy. Ow. Holy fuck, I did it off. Oh! I'm stuck. Don't help. Pick it up, pussy. It's on my leg. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Oh, yeah. Whoa, shit.
Why'd you shift down? All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Really appreciate it. Hopefully our videos will keep getting better. And got the snowboard here ready to wax, so should be in the snow next. Till then, peace.